Today we're taking a look at the Sandbox's Sand coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see Sand go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into the Sand coin chart, guys. If you'd like to buy Sand or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. And since we took a look at Sand last, as you can see, we have tested that key downtrending line that we have seen since the 25th of November. Of course, we did slightly break through it, but it looks like it was a bit of a false breakout and we weren't able to make it. The overall crypto market did start to take a bit of a downturn there, so no surprises. But today, it looks like we have managed to hold our key point of support sitting at $3.99, or more like $4 more than likely. As you can see, that is nice. And today we're currently sitting at, as a result of that, $4.25 with our line, as you can see, moving in very, very quickly, and it is getting tight now. The top end, I suppose, of where that line is sitting for us today is $4.32, so not too far off our current position. Either today, I believe we're going to break out of that, or otherwise we're going to see a break within the next few days. The key thing that I am looking for now is this 20-day moving average, as you can see, is now swooping up, sitting at $4.12. I want to see that swoop up and hopefully take out the $4.45 mark, which is our 50-day moving average. In doing so, we will see that this is a major indicator for at least a short-term reversal in the price direction. Overall, looking really not too shabby at this point in time. Volume-wise, you can see it's been decreasing as well as the selling has occurred, so that's pretty good. It means people aren't really dumping, and instead they're waiting for the right moment to try and buy, and they're probably selling what is quite a clear trading pattern happening here within this triangle formation that we are seeing. So all in all, not looking too shabby at all. Interestingly enough, we might actually be able to see right now, if I just zoom in a bit more, a little bit of an upwards trend as well since the 22nd of January, where we hit our low as well at $2.57. We can see that potentially a trend has sort of formed itself here. We have broken through it at this point in time, but there is now an opportunity to potentially break back into it. I think that's why this candle here was pretty severe to the bounce that we did then see, of course, on our key point of support at $4 sitting right there. But if we can get back up and get back into that overall uptrend, that'll be looking pretty strong for us, and it means we can target then, of course, this $4.72 mark, which we weren't able to surpass previously. Let's take a look at a few more indicators as well, guys. First and foremost, RSI. You can see that we're now currently sitting at 50.68, so plenty of room for us to continue running, and it has dropped from 61.45 on the 8th of February to a low yesterday on the 14th of February of 45.71. So nice bit of consolidation occurring without the overall coin price deteriorating too much. So really nice to see that sort of thing happen. It is healthy when you are trying to uptrend. Of course, it would have been nice to maintain this upward trending line, but hopefully we can get back into that in the near future, or you never know, something else might actually form itself. Let's have a look as well at the MACD. Chucking that one in. As you can see, it looks like the MACD is rejecting our 12-day EMA, crossing below the 26-day EMA, so that is really good. We've had quite an extended period of green here, which is nice. Hopefully we see something similar to this red period, but of course on the flip side, where we have this nice peak and we're moving upwards slowly and steadily, that then retracts, of course, before we now start to see the next move in a similar sort of manner. All in all, of course, the key here is we don't want to see that 12-day EMA cross below the 26-day EMA. We want to see a continuation and an increase in volume to support an increase in the price direction. All in all, what is my target for today's video? Well, I think first and foremost, we need to break out of course, this line here, our downwards trending line that we have seen since November of last year. But the ultimate goal, in my opinion, then would be to get through this 50-day moving average. That is really critical, and that's $4.45. If we're able to do that, then we can move on to target the $4.72 mark. That wraps up today's analysis on Sandcoin, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video as well, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.